Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Mac. So if you're using a MacBook and you need to take a screenshot, just follow this video and you'll be good to go. So the thing that you need to do is you need to hold down three important keys on the keyboard of your MacBook, and that is the way you can take a screenshot. Now, this is the most effective, most quickest, and most reliable way of taking a screenshot. You can have some applications downloaded for this purpose for taking screenshots, but I believe when you know this way of doing a certain thing of taking a screenshot, for example, and if this is the most quickest and most easiest way, I would say just follow this way and there's no need to download any specific application for screenshots. So the three important keys that you need to press are Shift, Command, and number 3. So when you do it, when you press these three keys, a screenshot will be automatically taken. You just saw it right here. A thumbnail was displayed here. And here you can see my screenshot has been saved. I've just taken it. You can see the time as well. It's most recent. I just took it just, a couple of seconds ago. And that's how you take a screenshot. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.